everyone, I'm back with another shape card. This time I took the largest of my squares from the Griffin all square card dies, and I took my folded paper and put it over top of it. Now you'll see that it doesn't quite come out to the edge here. That's where I let my die hang over before I put it into my machine. So when it opens like this. Now, for my top though, I really wanted to have this spot on the outside. So I took another piece of cardstock, ran it through the machine with the largest of the dies again, and I'm going to put it over top of it so that it hides that line. And I used my smallest of the nested die to make another one that can go right here in the middle with my sentiment. And there's my shape and my card. Thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next time.